I created these mock-up video within 1 minute. And you can do it too. Instead of using static image, use dynamic videos to boost your engagement. I created all these mock-ups using Canva. So without wasting your time, let me show you how I did it. Go to canva.com. Click on Create New Design. Select any format. I will choose video format. Now on the side panel, search for app. Click on it. Then search for mockups. Click on the price. Now you will see these different sections from their select videos. Click on See All and select the mockups that you like. I will select this one for this example and adjust its position. Now go to your PC file and bring the image that you want to input in your mockup video. Don't worry if it is like this. What you need to do is you need to drag the image into the frame. It will take some time to load. Now you simply need to click on the play button. Let me show you one more time. Let me select this and bring your image from your desktop and onto your design. As you can see, Canva will auto-detect the image and put it onto your mockup. Similarly, I will use it for other design, like this one. Drag and drop into the design, and it will auto-sync with the video. In this way, you can create product mockups in few minutes. Let me know if this video was helpful.